So the question we have to ask is, do I want relief or do I want transformation? And if we say, if we're willing to do the transformation, then we're also going to get relief, but first it's probably going to hurt, okay? Meaning that we're going to have to face some things. And the other thing, I know you know this, y'all have all lived long enough too, I know you know that, is that it's not just one time. It's not just one time that I can say, well, I've had enough, now I'm going to get some transformation. I'm going to get me some transformation going here, and it's all good. Okay, I hoped that. I had hoped that's how it worked, but it's not. Because if you really take that leap, if you really say, I want to know who I am, who God is, and how I'm related to God, then I am here to tell you, as you well know, that life is a spiral, and you're going to meet yourself many, 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 many times on the path. And every time you're going to have to hit a new place where you say, oh, I think I've had enough of that one. And I'm ready for some deeper experience of God. The good news, which again, I know you know, is that I don't know if it gets easier. Maybe in some ways it gets more challenging, but what happens is you're dwelling in so much more grace that it doesn't matter. Because you feel that power and that presence of God, and it's so much easier for you to experience that, so much easier for you to feel that flooding of love, so much easier for you to know that God and I are walking this path together. And even if it's a tough path, even if it's a steep path, even if I've got some big challenges to meet, I am nowhere alone. And that's the real solution. There aren't answers. You get answers to math problems, and that's a good thing. I'm grateful for that. And you get solutions to life. It's different because you get to live into a solution, or you get to live the solution. And that's the gift. Spirituality is relational. There aren't any answers in spirituality. There are plenty of solutions. And the real solution, the bottom line solution, is knowing that you're not alone, that you are one with God, and that you can step out into faith and live your life in that power and that presence of the grace of God.